guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Rosalina on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video, removing everything except for the adjustments, and VIP is needed for this one. For the hair, I use this hair in EEB2A3, position it, so bangs only toggle, position the Y at 0.46, rotate it the same and scale it to 0.6, then select this hair and color it the same, adjustment Z.55, then this hair in the same color, position the Y at 0.55, Z.58, then this hair in that same color, toggle it to back, and then position the Y at 0.33, Z.59, rotate the X to 0.67, and then after that, you're going to remove the flowers. Get this crown from VIP and color it gray and red. Position the Y at 0.61, rotate the Z to 0.65 and scale it to 0.33. Then get this crown in that same color and then in blue for the second toggle. For BF1BF, position the X at 0.53, Y at 0.52, Z 0.53, rotate the Z to 0.63. Then for the outfit, we're going to use this dress in these colors, 7FC3AB, same here in silk. And then for this one, I did like a lighter blue. And then for that, I just colored it, in white. Then for the top, we are going to use this one in that same blue in silk. And then this like lighter blue in, let's do light silk. And then that as well. Then we are going to get these sleeves. Select the only sleeve toggle and color the first one that a darker color and then the lighter color. Then we would also need this for like the gem that she has. So this one, nothing except for the bow, and then color everything like that same silk thing, except for the third one is like gray, and then the fourth one is like a kind of bright yellow. I would give her earrings, but you can't see them with this hairstyle anyways, and you can also get the like sparklers, sprinklers, fireworks for the wand, but I'm just going to leave it plain. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!